Hi everybody! Today we have a treat for you. It's a puppet show. This is a story about a kind woodcarver named Gepetto and his wooden puppet, Pinocchio. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy our puppet show. Once upon a time, there lived a woodcarver named Gepetto. He lived alone in his modest home, which was filled entirely with wooden objects. Gepetto longed to have a son who would accompany him. One night, feeling deeply lonely, he carved a wooden puppet. Due to his remarkable craftsmanship, the puppet appeared extraordinarily lifelike.
I suckle you, Pinocchio. I hope you will become a real boy.
Kind Gppetto, you have always been a good person to others. Therefore, I shall grant life to your little Pinocchio. Look at me! I can speak, I can walk, and I can dance!
My wedding song! You are alive!
The following day, Gepetto gave Pinocchio some money to buy books and sent him to school.
Pinocchio, you must go to school now. Do not stop until you are alive. Then you will gain knowledge.
Where are you going with that much money?
I'm going to school to buy book.
Instead of going to school, you should spend the money on candy. It tastes delicious.
Do not do that, Pinocchio. Do not listen to him.
However, Pinocchio ignored the cricket and entered a candy shop.
It's all this money for candy?
Yes, my father asked me to spend it all on candy.
Suddenly, his nose grew longer. After leaving the shop, the boy quickly stole all the candy and ran away.
Why is your money gone?
It fell and was lost.
As he lied, his nose grew even longer. Pinocchio then continued on his way to school. Along the road, he encountered a wolf and a cat who called out to him.
We will take you to a puppet so you can have a ticket for only 5 coins.
I have 5 coins. My father told me to attend an intense show.
Once again, his nose grew longer. However, the ticket turned out to be counterfeit and he was not allowed to enter. Soon, a man with long hair and a beard approached him. He was Stromboli, the owner of the puppet show. Fascinated by Pinocchio, Stromboli invited him to perform.
Would you like to perform in my puppet show.
Really? What do I have to do?
You only need to dance and singing on stage.
Alright, I'll give it a try.
Exhausted and homesick, Pinocchio asked Stromboli for permission to return home.
Mr. Stromboli, I'm very tired and I miss my home. May I go home now?
No, you can not leave. You belong to me now. Do you see Pinocchio? If you had gone to school as Gppetto instructed, this would not have happened.
The cricket then gave Pinocchio another chance and hurried to inform Gepetto of his situation. Gepetto immediately went to the puppet show and rescued Pinocchio from the cage.
Thief! Thief! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Oh, Pinocchio, look at your nose. This is what happens when you are late.
I will always tell the truth.
As he made this promise, his nose gradually returned to its normal size. In the end, Pinocchio realized his mistake and transformed into a good child. The blue fairy cast a spell, turning him into a real boy.
By the power of this magic, you shall become a real boy.
Gepetto and Pinocchio then lived happily ever after.